Hi and welcome to our new video, guys. Today's video will discuss how to use Krea's new video generation tool. To access it, you'll need to visit Krea's homepage and click on the AI video generator. This will open a dashboard with various options for video generation. Let's discuss them one by one. Using Krea's video generation tool. 1. Keyframe option. Click on this option to upload images from your computer to generate a video. If you don't have any images, you can use Krea's image generator to create them directly. 2. Text prompt. Here, you can add a text prompt according to your preference. Krea's AI will use the images and this prompt to generate a video. 3. Settings option. This option allows you to control your video's aspect ratio, motion speed, and video looping according to your needs. Additionally, on the right side, you can click the clip duration button to adjust the length of your video. Krea allows you to generate videos up to a maximum of 10 seconds. 4. Video modes. On the left side, you'll find 4 different video generation modes. You can choose any mode to generate your video based on your preference. Once you've set the keyframe prompt, video settings, and clip duration, click the Generate button. Your video will be generated within a few seconds. After that, you can download the video by clicking the Download button. Now that you understand Krea's UI, let's generate a 10-second video and see how it works. To generate a video, we need to upload images in the keyframe section and provide a text prompt in the text prompt section. For instance, I want to create a video where a blue flower transforms into an octopus and then swims in the ocean. To achieve this, we'll need 2 images, a blue flower petal or a blue flower, and an image of an octopus. Additionally, I'll set the clip duration to 10 seconds, with the first 5 seconds showcasing the flower and the last 5 seconds showcasing the octopus. As you can see, I've added a blue flower image to the first keyframe along with the text prompt I mentioned earlier. You can pause the video to read it. Similarly, after 5 seconds, I'll add another image of an octopus along with another text prompt, which you can also pause to read. After adding both images, you can choose any video mode you prefer. I'm keeping it on film mode for now, but you can also choose animation render or experiment. Then click the Generate button. It will only take a few seconds to generate the video according to your settings. In the video settings, you can see that I've kept the aspect ratio at 16:9, the motion intensity at 63, video looping turned on, and the clip duration at 10 seconds. Now, let's generate the video and see how it turns out. Once your video is generated, it will automatically enter processing mode. You can cancel this by clicking the Generate button again, but I wouldn't recommend it as it can affect the video quality. Now, I'll show you the output. As promised, I showed you how to generate a video of a flower transforming into an octopus. The output is in high quality, and you can download it by clicking the Download button. I believe you've now grasped how to use Krea AI's video generation tool. Now, let's move on to some example videos to understand the types of videos you can generate using this tool. Before showing you more example videos from Krea, I'd like to mention that I've created a user guide for Krea AI. You can find the link in the description below. This article will provide you with more information about various tools. Now, let's move on to watching some example videos from Krea. If you'd like to see more example videos from Krea, you can go to Krea AI's Twitter page also. If you learned anything from this video, please leave a like, and if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.